Namaskarams, I am Kesav Murthy from Coimbatore. I am an HR cum educational consultant. Recently, Tamil Nadu government has announced that they scrapped the arrear exam for engineering students up to third year. Whoever has paid the fees, their exams will be scrapped and then they will be made all pass. So they need not write the arrear exams again. This has got some consequences. In this video, we look at what are the consequences and what are the alternatives available instead of scrapping these arrear exams. So a lot of discussions and debate was happening in the media by educational experts, even by public at large on this particular decision. One such decision, debate or discussion happens is that it puts the students who have not paid the exam fee in a disadvantage. That is the debate has been generated by political parties. Yes, it is true. It puts them into disadvantage. They don't enjoy this benefit. But let us look at a political view of this particular aspect and then see what are the other consequences. One of the consequences of this decision are there will be many deficits between the student community and the public at large. One of the consequences is that credibility deficit. People will lose credibility on the universities and colleges who have scrapped their arrear exams. So this is going to be a major issue for some universities and colleges. And this affects the people who have cleared all the exams. Now, who does not have an arrear. Even that particular student will be looked at as having a lower quality or poor quality understanding of the subjects. The second is there's a deficit in faith on the exam system itself, because degrees are earned with the hard work. They put in a lot of effort, they study hard, and they understand the concept, write the exam, and earn the degree. But that particular process itself is at stake now. Students will lose confidence on the entire exam pattern. The third is quality deficit. If these engineers, maybe a lakh or two engineers, they go without writing the exam, without understanding the basic concepts on particular subjects, just generally we can think that their quality of their engineering knowledge will be very poor. So that will reflect on the society and the work they will going to undertake in the future years to come. So there are a lot of things that will be at stake. For example, if we have a poor civil engineer, just imagine the consequence of keeping a poor engineer in constructing a multi-story building. So that is quality deficit is another area where one of the major consequences of this particular decision. The fourth is value deficit. Hard-earned degrees lose the charm, lose the value. Already the companies which employ the students, they don't look at the marks obtained in this degree. They don't give much importance to the marks obtained in the degree. They have a robust recruitment process to screen out the students or screen in the students. So that is another deficit which is likely to widen between the students and the employers. Now let us look at what are the alternatives available. Instead of scrapping the arrear exam, what are the alternatives available in this context? One is the colleges or universities, they can postpone the exam and they can conduct the exams along with the exams of the next semester by giving sufficient time, study holidays, and giving sufficient gap between any two exams. This is quite possible. Little bit of revision may be required that they can give. This is one alternative, which looks very simple alternative. Now this can be done. The second alternative is that the colleges and universities, they can conduct online exams. In this online exam, it could be a closed book or an open book exam. Depending on that, you can set up your question paper with a lot of practical questions, so that even if it is an open book exam, it will not be a problem. Security and safety issues can be taken care of, and then malpractices can be curbed with all the technological techniques available on the online. Subject with the lab can conduct the theory exams through online, and the lab portion of it can be conducted next semester once the students come to the college. The third alternative is make the students to prepare assignments on that particular subject, maybe 2 or 3 assignments, which will account for about 50%. And the balance 50% weightage can be given to the vivavas on the assignments. Vivavas can be conducted with the panel of teachers. The fourth is a real life problem related to the subject, which is normally which we see in the industry or in the society, can be provided to the students, and let them come up with their own solutions. This could lead to some kind of a startup idea kind of a situation in the exam. Let them come up with the solutions and how far it is practical, how far it is feasible, technically or commercially it's feasible. They can look at with the help of a panel of teachers or panel of innovative team in that particular college. So these are some of the alternatives available instead of scrapping the arrear exams. And I hope this particular video will make you to think and give you some insight into this problem. If you like this video, you share it and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.